Hey boo, what's up? Today's video is not sponsored by LaraBars. So I have a few people asking me if LaraBars are okay to eat on a raw food diet. They seem pretty raw, right? Like the ingredients for this one is literally just cashews and dates. Be careful though, boo. Be careful though, because here's the thing. If you eat food like this is dehydrated, this is stale, this is old, this is dead. Okay, if you eat dead food, you're gonna feel dead. And here's the kicker though, 10 for 10, oof, that's a good price. And they got all types of flavors, cookie dough, they got blueberry muffin, banana bread. But the problem is that you went raw because you wanted to be alive. You wanted to feel energetic and alive, full of life. So understand me when I tell you, yeah, that's raw, supposedly, right? It's raw. However, it's not going to make you feel good. It's not a health food. Okay? The health foods are the foods that go bad very quickly. The grapes, the lettuce, the strawberries, the apples, the melons. And let me tell you right now, if you see Sugar Kiss melons in your store, you better motherfucking get them. I'm only getting 3 today because the truth is that I have 3 at home. And I just bought 5 seeded watermelons, so there's only so much I can buy, right? There's only so much I can eat. By the way, this is yellow. I don't need watermelon. I have 5 giant seeded watermelons at home, but come on, I can't. The other thing is this is a cantaloupe that I don't need either, but it's super ripe and smells so amazing that I buy it anyway. Fuck it. You know, people are always over my house, give them fruit. I might blend it up for, a quick pick-me-up in the afternoon. Instead of coffee, I do blended melon, okay? But I just want you to understand that just because it's raw doesn't mean it's healthy, okay? So yeah, you can eat the LaraBars. This ain't a health food, boo. And you know it's not a health food because it's sitting on a shelf and it can last years. It can last a year, 2 years, 3 years. I don't know the expiration date. Some of this stuff is really not even healthy, okay? Like this one, can we please get it together? Hold on. Okay. First of all, nothing's organic. And there's motherfucking sugar in here. There's sugar in... No, stop it. I literally just saw the word sugar. Are you kidding me? So anyway, don't fucking eat these if you don't want to be dry, dehydrated, crappy, old, stale, tired. Eat these things if you want to be healthy. Now, yeah, these things will make you go to the bathroom more. Sure, that's normal. Okay, there's a lot of water here, so you're going to be eliminating the water. And if you really want to heal, you're going to have to deal with going to the bathroom once an hour. That's normal, okay? I know a lot of you guys work for a living and you travel and you don't want to, have to go to the bathroom every hour. Okay, well then eat your LaraBar and be unhealthy and feel dehydrated and feel tired all the time, and don't ask me another goddamn question in your whole goddamn life. Okay, love you guys. Thank you so much. Can I go to the express lane? No, I cannot. Okay, love you guys. Bye.